Okay, sir. So next we are moving to the book launch. The name of the book is God is Digital, authored by Arvind M. Ponial. So talking about the book that we have launching right now, God is Digital. This is a unique book and it is about digital model of universe. However, to understand this model, the readers need to have a basic knowledge of communication, computers, and associated digital systems. This book provides this knowledge right from the simple telephony to mobile networks up to 5G and internet, which covers cloud computing, IoT, artificial intelligence, digital signature, ETAL. Now, this book is written in a very simple language which can be understood by common man and is very useful for professional engineers too. Let's imagine a world of humanoid and aluminoid controlled by an IoT kind of system extensively using artificial intelligence and virtual reality. If so, then what is the purpose of creating this world and purpose of human life? So these are the questions which are addressed in this book launch, using the digital model along with the ancestral wisdom. Talking about the author, Arvind M. Unian. So the author is an alumnus of the prestigious Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, India. He has vast experience in providing tactical and strategic telecommunications for Indian Army, as he has served in the technical wing of the same. He has been instrumental in planning and establishing a modern pan-India strategic telecommunications network for the Indian Army. Post-retirement from Army, he has served in a premier telecom public sector company where he headed its research and development wing and production plant. Under his leadership, a number of telecom system and IT security system, both hardware and software based, were developed and commercialized. He has been a consultant to other telecom manufacturing companies also. The author has been a professor in the Military College of Telecommunication Engineering of Indian Army and is also visiting faculty to various civilian educational institutions. So, Sir Arvind sir, I request you to share a few words on your day of book launch.
Good morning, everybody. I would like to say a few words about the book. You have already said, but I'd like to elaborate further. This is a unique book, maybe the only of its kind in the world, which tries to explain the digital universe around us and tries to link it with the supernatural. To understand the concept, one needs at least an elementary knowledge of digital systems and how they work. This book, in very simple language, explains these concepts, which even people having no technical background can easily understand. If you want to be digitally literate, this book is for you.
Thank you, sir. We had the guest of yours coming. Has he joined? Lieutenant General Dr. Nitin Kohli. If not, then please request him to join through the email. He can do that so.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I guess we have with us Rachna Unial. And ma'am, if you can say a few words, she's the wife of the author. Ma'am, if you can say a few words on this occasion.
Yes. Namaskar. Today
Namaskar.
is a great day, not only for me, but for the complete Unyal family. My husband, Colonel Unyal, has expressed his views in a super unique book, God is Digital. He is a passionate reader, and mythology is a part and parcel of his life. He used to narrate stories from Mahabharata and from other scriptures. I was very much impressed by his knowledge and wisdom. All the family members were encouraging him to compile his thoughts in the form of a book. Whenever he gets time, he used to write. This is a first stepping stone by Colonel Unyal to share his vast knowledge and experience with the world. I wish you all the best for the future projects and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, meanwhile, with no further delay, I request my team to finally launch the book, share the cover page of the book on the screen.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
So we are about to launch the book. We are about to share the cover page of the book on the screen. Heartily congratulations, sir, for your book launch.
Notice? But I can't hear. Yeah.
So, sir, I would, seeing the cover page, I would like to ask few questions from you, just to know, the journey and the idea of writing this book.
Artist,
So, what
congratulations, sir.
inspired you to write this book? Because the cover page looks, very different. Something talks about the brain and the digital media, that digital technologies that we have. So, what inspired you to write this book?
You're asking me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have been throughout my life in the field of digital communications, computers, and allied subjects. Now, at the same time, I come from a background where spirituality plays a very important role. My family, my wife, my children had been coaxing me, asking me to write down my experience. And that is where I got the inspiration and started writing the book.
Okay. And where do you think this book will be the most useful? Who can make the best use of this book?
Yeah, we live in a digital world, which is going to be more digital in future. So it is imperative on our part to at least have elementary knowledge of digital systems around us, like cellular, 3G, 4G, 5G, computer networks, and other associated systems. This book, in very simple language, explains these concepts. This book can be extremely useful if it is introduced in schools at higher secondary level for all students as part of their curriculum, irrespective of the discipline they are studying in. It will not only work as a primer for digital literacy, but may initiate young people to spirituality, which in my opinion is the need of the hour.
Okay, sir. Thank you for sharing that. Any tips, anything that you want to pass on to your reader for reading this book?
I'll suggest that, to understand the concepts, one should read the book. And the book is very useful, can be given as a gift to friends, to younger generation people. And for younger generation people especially, it is very important to read this book.
Okay. And you have named this book as God is Digital. It's something, God is Digital. What made you choose this title for your book?
The basic subject is actually about the concept of God and the universe. And that concept, I try to explain it in the form of digital systems, or in the basic this thing of digital systems. So because of that, I have named this book as God is Digital.
Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, sir, for letting us know the journey, the idea behind writing this book, and where this book can be the most useful one. Anybody from the audience, if somebody wants to congratulate our author or say something on this occasion?
Good morning to all of you. I am N.K. Bhattacharya and Colonel Unial. We had a very long association working together in different big projects.
Congratulations,
So hearty
Arvind.
congratulations to Arvind Unial ji for bringing out this thought process of his in the book form. And I have gone through the book and we are really delighted. It is a great effort, Colonel Unial sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Bhatta. Our long association, I also remember. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Heartiest congratulations, sir. I am Colonel Tripathi.
Oh, Tripathi, Colonel Tripathi, thank you very much.
Sir, your concept is unique, and I'm sure this is going to touch everybody's mind in coming generations, because everybody is connected digitally now. So this book will guide them to right path and go into spirituality through digitalism. Thank you so very much for launching this book, sir, and many congratulations and good wishes.
Thank you.
Regards.
Thank you.
So same, sir. Many congratulations, Unial, sir. It's a pleasure to have a person who I know very well, and you're author of a book. This book seems to be exceptionally different compared to a conventional kind of people who write type of books about fiction, about general, any other topic. But I think it's a great effort. I don't know how you managed so much time in spite of your busy schedule. Many congratulations, and sure we'll be become more learned after reading this book. As you said, we all deal with this digital transformation, digital technologies currently. And I think it's a great subject for not many people to understand all about AI, IoT, ML, etc. Many congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Unial Saab. Sridhar now here.
Wonderful.
So I got your book. I have to start reading it. I will let you know once I read it.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.
Hello, Arvind.
Pradeep.
Yeah. Hi, Arvind. It is very nice to know that you have launched your book, and I convey my heartiest congratulations and wish you many more such innovative ideas to come out in near future. Bye-bye. See you.
Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you.
Congratulations, Unial Saab. I'm Kiratappa here. So it is your Corona resting time for a good purpose. You have given a good book. I'm very happy to participate in this book release occasion. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You rightly said that Corona time was usefully utilized. Thank you very much.
Yeah, congratulations, Colonel Unial.
Oh, Mr.
Kurian from ITI.
Kurian, thank you, Mr. Kurian, you being there.
And a pleasure for me to meet so many of our old colleagues also on this occasion. Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's a pleasure you being here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Father. I would like to say a few words. I mean, for the whole audience, some of you might know me, some of you may not. But I think my dad is by far the smartest and the most intelligent person I know, and he's finally written a book.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you. You have been the inspiration. Thank you.
Sir, this is Krishnadas Rai.
Oh, Mr. Rai. Wonderful.
Congratulations. All the best.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Hi, Arvind, can you hear me?
Yes, General Saab.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you very much.
Wonderful that you are here.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. It's a good thing. Such a good thing that you written the book, and this is being released today. And you have a number of your friends and relatives here.
So Nitin sir, we were waiting for you only.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah. So we have with us Lieutenant General Dr. Nitin Kohli. He is presently member of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India and Chairman ESIC. Lieutenant General Dr. Nitin Kohli, PVSM, AVSM, VSM, is recipient of presidential awards thrice. His academic qualification include PhD in Information Warfare, 2 postgraduate degrees, one in Telecom and Electronics and the other in Defense and Strategic Studies, and 2 MPhil degrees, one from Madras University and other from the Devi Ahilya Bai University, Indore. He has a glorious career of 40 years in Indian Army with prestigious assignments of Director General, Manpower Planning and Personnel Services of Indian Army and Director General of Corps of Signal, where he was responsible for provision of telecommunication, information technology and cyber security service to the Indian Army. He has written a number of papers or articles in national and international journals and has been very actively participating in a large number of seminars on defense, communication, and cybersecurity. Sir, I request you to say a few words on this occasion.
Okay, thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure, it's an honor. Firstly, at the outset, let me thank the publishers and also Colonel Onial for inviting me on this occasion. Well, gentlemen, I have known Colonel Onial for last almost 50 years, 5 decades. So I can say with conviction that I know the gentleman very well. You know, Colonel Onial has always been very technologically savvy, spiritually inclined, and very intense thinker, and also very forthright in his expressions. That's how he has been. That's the impression I carry, having known him for as many years. Now he has chosen this topic and written his first book, and the God is Digital. You see, this digital word is all around us, the way he writes in his book. Digital gadgets are all over, wherever we see, and these jargons we keep reading or keep coming upon all over in our day-to-day life. You see, it may be 3G, 4G, 2G, and the Internet of Things, data centers, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, IoT, and so on and so forth. These are today household jargons. They are no longer any esoteric knowledge which only few people can understand. Now, he has explained all these terms for a layman in a very, very comprehensible manner, in a very precise, lucid, and very coherent manner. So the layman can understand this, what are all these things all about. And then he has drawn parallels between the technology and the way this word is functioning, or his spirituality, or as he calls it, supernatural some parts. He's drawn those parallels. And he's done it so beautifully, like he takes the reader through it in a very, very smooth manner. He himself transits from technology to the spirituality with lots of ease and in a very seamless manner. Then he takes the reader the way he has divided various topics, various chapters he has divided in a very well considered and very logical manner, so that the reader is taken through the kaleidoscope of various technological terms in a very smooth manner, and he doesn't feel it heavy. Now, having known Onial, firstly I want to compliment him the kind of work he has done, and you see, he has raised some very valid or some very intriguing, rather very thought-provoking questions in this. He said the way in IoT, the way various things are connected through the internet and they are being controlled, is it so that in the world all of us human beings, like we all being computers, we are connected and being controlled by some supernatural power or by supreme consciousness? So these are the kind of questions he has raised in this, which I'm sure as the readers read it, they'll find it very interesting. The book, very small, 120 pages, is a masterpiece, and it makes a very interesting read and is very absorbing. And I have no doubt on this, but let me also be, so firstly I need to compliment him for the work he has done. But let me also be slightly critical with him, since he's a friend. You see the kind of knowledge he has, his depth of knowledge and his complete potential have not been manifested, have not been expressed in this. Probably this was his first attempt, and it's a very small book. And I'm sure he's going to write many more books on the subject, and he's going to come out with a lot more which he has in himself, so that he presents another volume which is more relevant and which is more comprehensible to the younger generation. I'm sure he will do that. And we wish you all the very best, Unial, in all your future endeavors. And Godspeed. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for such a nice compliment and nice advice. I'll definitely follow that. Thank you.
Thank you, Unial.
Thank you, Nitin sir. We are very sure that your comments, your compliments, and your critics, both all the three things are going to give an extra push to Arvind sir to write more and come up with more such interesting, contents and improve in his writing skills. So we will definitely give an excuse to him because it is his first book. So. Anyway, we have almost come to the end of this book launch, and it was really pleasure to talk to you, Arvind sir, and a heartily congratulations once again for your book launch. I wish you all the very best, and I hope to see you coming up with such more amazing content, giving us more opportunity to publish your book and launch your book, and make it successful with a common vision that we both hold. And the book is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Story Mirror. The link is shared in the chat box. You guys can go and order your book now. Thank you all for being there. Thank you all for the time. Now we have a next book launch